Hey guys, welcome back. It's hazy today. Oh, thunder too. Good. We need some rain. Hopefully we get some rain. But I'm taking a minute to go do a quick upgrade for the Silverado. So this is gonna be a quick and simple upgrade. I think you're gonna like it because I do. I've got the standard key, the older key, 2019 and earlier, I believe, key fob here. Lock, unlock, remote start, and panic. They're both fine. Just a little dingy. I could probably clean them up again and probably do that quick with my favorite stuff. We are definitely about to get some serious lightning. I just heard it. It's good. We haven't had really thunderstorms yet this year. Had a couple that swept south of here, but not up here. So the boys over at Boost Auto hooked it up and sent over a new key and a programmer. Now I've got an Autel I can program with this. It might be another way to program a key, but this is going to be the quick and simple way to program a key. I thought I was going to need an app, but apparently it's plug and play. So let's go get this done. If we can get to the truck before we get soaking wet. Hey chickens. The ducks went inside already. Yeah, look at that. So the first step is they say to put the key in and turn it on, but not the truck on. And then let's stick in the programmer. So then press and hold lock and unlock. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, cool. Didn't need to program the others. So we'll dismiss it. So I've got the original key out. Let's lock it. Yeah, it locked. Yep. Unlock. I think I've got a program to put all the windows down. We don't want to do that. Let's see if remote start will work. Lock. Yeah, remote start. We're good. Cool. My truck's got a aftermarket key copy and then the factory Chevy key, so I'm gonna put it with the Chevy key. So the installation was a breeze, and I think this key feels much higher quality. It's, you know, I'd be fooled thinking that this was an OEM key. They've got some nice laser engraving on the back. It's heavy, and as we know from Jurassic Park, if it's heavy, it's expensive. I think that's an upgrade. So if you just want to upgrade your key fob, or you need an extra key fob, or you got to replace a key fob, check this out. Real simple and easy, and not too bad on price either. And I think the rain has slowed. So let's head back to the shop while we got a second. Yep, there you go. Lock. Lock. Cool. The rain feels good, huh? Ducks are back out. Woo! All right, guys. Well, hope this helped. If you're looking for a new key, it's a great replacement or a great upgrade for a key if you already got one, or a key fob rather. Check out Boost Auto. Link will be below. Got some more good stuff for you coming soon for the Silverado, for Jeeps, and for other things. So until next time, may God bless you and keep standing up for what's right.